Now that you've finished your notes, you're going to work on this handout. You have the rest of the period for Friday, and then you also have the whole period on Monday to work on this. You need to turn it into the substitute by the end of the period on Monday. I will not collect them on Tuesday when I get back. So you're going to be finding the distance and midpoint. I suggest the first thing you do is you go ahead and write the ordered pairs for each of these. So for an example, they're saying that this one is U over here, where it says U. So let's find the ordered pair for this point right here. So you're just going to count how many over, how many down, and if you count, this one's at -17 and 5. Or let's say we were doing her over here. We would count how many over, how many up, and she's located at -20 and 10. So you're going to do that for every one of these to figure out the distance for them. On the next page, and don't worry, these are not word problems. They're just giving you scenarios. You're going to be finding either the midpoint or the distance. So you definitely need your notes for that. You will need scratch paper. You're not going to be able to fit your work on here, so make sure you have scratch paper and you staple your work to this handout and turn it into the sub. I will not give you credit if I don't see your work for it. All right, so question 1 says, from your hiding spot, you see the zombie lunch lady. So we're looking for this lady. How far away from you is she? So we need to figure out where you are. So we're going to go back and look. I forgot the ordered pair where we were at. So let's go back and look. We're at -17 and 5. So -17 and 5. And let's find out where she is. She's at, we didn't find her ordered pair, so we need to find this ordered pair. And she's at, we go over 1, down, so she's at 1, -21. And I know these because I've already counted them. So 1, -21. They want to know how far she is. That means we're going to be using the distance formula on these. So I don't have space to write it, but when you do it on the work, you're going to be doing the distance formula. So I'm going to give you little hints here. So this one, we use the distance formula. I'm just going to put D for distance. For the next one, I keep writing everywhere, sorry you guys. For the next one, it says across the room are your two best friends, Sarah and John. Laying at the exact midpoint between them is the perfect zombie killing potion. Unfortunately, Sarah and John have both developed a taste for brains, so they won't be much help. What are the coordinates of the zombie killing potion? So again, you need to find where Sarah is. So you'll find her coordinates. You'll find where John is. And then this time you're finding, it tells you, the midpoint. You'll do the midpoint formula. On the next one, so this one's midpoint. If you read them, they'll tell you what they are, but I'm just going to quickly go through them. On number 4, you're going to do, or number 3, you're going to do distance. Number 4 is midpoint. Number 5 is distance. I did it again. I keep writing on the papers. Number 6 is your distance formula. Number 7 is, I haven't done this one yet. The school exit isn't too far. It's exactly halfway between you and Jerry the janitor. Seems understandable. What are the coordinates of the school exit? So midpoint. While you're planning your escape, you notice your girlfriend Abby moving towards you. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like she is in a lovey-dovey mood. She's more in the ear, your brain, goodness. can't reach. She's more in the eat your brains mood. How many feet will Abby have to travel till she reach you? So this is distance. Number 9, you begin to run for an exit and notice you are trapped in the middle between Jay and Jesse. You're trapped in the middle, so you're going to do midpoints. And then you can read the challenge and try to figure it out. So you will have to do this on scratch paper. You would have to figure out the coordinates for everyone they're asking for, and then you're finding either the distance between them or the midpoint between them. Good luck, and I will see you guys on Tuesday.